Hi guys, BlackNight here. One of our customers with his Opel Grandland X 1.5 liter turbo diesel wanted us to check his car and clear all the fault codes and also check if there is nothing big. We have here some small electronic issues, but nothing major. After this all, we will delete all the fault codes and check if something will come back. Okay, nothing major, so we are going to clear all the fault codes. Yes. I will show you then the result. Okay, so we have cleared all the codes and there is nothing, but we have to address to the owner one small problem. Is this BMC body control module, and it has electric shortcut, or it's relatively faulty. We will recommend to the owner to replace it, and then everything should be okay. If you want clear codes or do the same job or some coding, DPF and so on, just call us. So now we are performing the DPF Regen for 1.5 diesel engine Opel Grandland X. If you have any questions, ask us and we will really be happy to reply you and do the same job for you. Thank you very much. Have a nice eve. Bye.